Yes, sir. Y'all know that's my whole little thing. Got a K series. As you can see, here's a transfer case right there, as well as drive shaft and rear diff. It's a CRV. It's a full CRV setup. CRV trans, 5-speed, CRV drive shaft and rear diff. We got the billet shifter, a knockoff joint, I'm pretty sure. Or no, that's a Jack Spaniel, which is still a knockoff, but whatever. Hate the steering wheel. That has to go. Hated the cluster. That already went. It was super inaccurate. So we got the regular one in there. Tony's VMS racing wheels, so it looked kind of ridiculous. Usual cracked up door panels. It's got R888s all around. I'm not even sure what type of suspension is on this thing. It's probably stock.
It's probably got lower things.
I see like a red coil up in here.
No, it looks like a coil sleeve. Got that cheap stuff back here, boy.
That's the eBay, like the one that we had on the coupe. Yep, the same exact one.
You got oil in that side lights. You come over here and go get some gas?
Yeah. Got this little thing on here. Make sure nobody don't rob you. It's supposed to be on there a little bit tighter, but whatever. I think these is oleum. No, these ain't oleum. It don't say Stanley on it. They look solid though. What's up? What's up, buddy? Yeah, sport mounts. Got the RBC manifold. Yeah, pretty basic setup. It's just a bone stock K24, no Type S oil pump, no VTC gear, nothing. PLM hood exit header. Coil rad radiator. Yeah, it's basic. There's nothing crazy going on with it. The potential is there though. Stupid loud, so y'all probably can't even hear nothing I'm saying, but I don't know. This thing is hard to drive too. Just not used to it. Just gotta get used to it. Out right now. This temp gauge don't work. So say there's no traffic on the way to my destination, so I should be straight. But the speed sensor is not accurate. There's no way I'm going 60 right now. This thing sounds like a Harley when it's idling. So when you're driving this car normal, it's not that loud. But when you're getting on it, it's stupid. Vibrate a lot. I don't know if it's the mount or if it's the transfer case, but this thing is stupid. Sounds so sick. Crap is stupid. Sound like when you downshifting, it sounds crazy. I love it. I wish I could keep it like this, but it's just way too obnoxious. So I started doing the paint correction on this thing. I did this front fender. You could tell it still needs some more buffing out right here, some more compound. Really on the whole thing could use more compounding, but just trying to get it to look more, see how you can actually see my reflection on there versus here is like, just looks like crap. So yeah, it needs some more work, but it looks worlds better than the rest of the car, just that fender. So trying to knock out as much as I can, but I really ain't got that much time. The days just be going by so fast. Alright, so without the right pad, because I forgot the heavy cutting pad, so without that I could only do so much. I didn't even finish wiping this off all the way neither. I'm gonna actually have to hit this one with some polish to get all of the compound off. This area right here looks pretty good. It's pretty phenomenal. Like right here, and then up here you start to see the scratches again. So but yeah, without the right pad you can only do so much. Looks decent for the most part. It looked better than it did, honestly. So it's fine the way it is, but I definitely got to go through and do this some more, because just for myself for myself I need it to look better than that, because I know that I'm capable of doing it better. So but that looks pretty good. I mean, I know the rest of the car is pretty dirty too, but like you can tell, that side looks a million times better than this side. I mean, look at this reflection. You can't even hardly see me. Apparently this is a single stage paint. because as I'm sanding it, I can see it's coming off black. So then look at the reflection on this side. I can pretty much clearly see myself, especially back here. Look at that. That looks great. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this. I'm gonna hit this door with some polish, clean all of this, clean my wheel off, and then I'm gonna just spray on like a cheap little whatever that's called, ceramic coating, just to try to protect it a little bit, and then yeah.
Under that, this car feel like I'm gonna kill myself.
That car feels stupid.
Oh, yeah.